Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to teach you exactly how to edit photos in Canva using your mobile device. This guide will help you turn your ordinary pictures into professional looking designs in just a few minutes. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Canva app on your phone to access your dashboard where all your creative projects are managed. This is the first step to entering the design workspace where you can find various templates and editing tools for your photos. Step 2 is to upload your image by selecting the plus button and choosing the specific photo from your gallery that you want to enhance. Importing your file is essential because it places your image onto the canvas so you can begin making visual adjustments. Step 3 is to click Edit Image after selecting your photo on the workspace to open up the specialized editing menu. This specific action brings up a variety of powerful tools that allow you to modify the look and feel of your picture instantly. Step 4 is to use the top menu to access tools like Magic Studio, where you can find features like Background Remover and Magic Edit. These advanced AI tools are located at the top of the editor and are perfect for removing distracting elements from your shots. Step 5 is to go to Adjustments to manually change the brightness and contrast of your photo to make it look much sharper. Fine-tuning these settings is important because it helps you control the lighting and depth of your image for a more polished result. Step 6 is to apply effects such as filters and shadows to give your photo a unique style and some artistic flair. These options are found in the Effects tab and are great for adding consistency and professional depth to your visual content. Step 7 is where you can resize, crop, or flip your image to ensure it fits perfectly within your specific project layout. These basic transformations are located in the toolbar and are vital for getting the composition and orientation of your photo just right. Step 8 is to add text to your design by choosing a font style and typing in your message to provide context or a title. This tool allows you to communicate clearly with your audience and is located under the Text tab on the main editing panel. Step 9 is that you can use elements like shapes, stickers, and graphics to further decorate your photo and make it more engaging. Accessing the Elements library gives you thousands of icons that can help tell a story or highlight specific parts of your image. Step 10 is to click Design once you are finished with all your edits to review the overall look of your project. This helps you see the final composition in full view to ensure that all the elements and adjustments look exactly the way you want them. Step 11 is to then click the Upload option located in the top right corner of the screen to prepare your file for saving. This button is the gateway to the sharing menu where you can decide how you want to export your completed work to your device. Step 12 is to then click Download to save the final edited photo directly to your phone's gallery in high resolution. This final step completes the process and ensures your beautiful new design is ready to be shared on any social media platform. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful design tips.